Today I'm going to show you how to change your background color, themes and everything else that is relatable to this. First thing first, you're going to open your Google Chrome and now you can see that I have the basic theme that everybody knows. It's a little bit boring, so let's make some changes. To be able to do this, we need to find the tools. If you pay attention in this corner, you can see the Customize Chrome text. If you click on it, you can see that we have a lot of options here. We can change between light, dark and device. Device, it means the color that you set on your PC. Let's change it to dark now, and we can see that we have a lot of colors here, and you can also choose your own color. Let's see that option. Or you can choose between these colors that you have here or the device color, and these are the options here. But one thing that most people don't know, you can change the theme. How do you do this? You click here and you can see that we have a lot of new options like solid colors, different images, textures and so on. If you don't like what you see here, you can go to Chrome Web Store and we have more options for changing our themes. You also have these filters. Let me see, cars or art, I don't know. Let's just go with this theme right here with this car, and if you selected the theme that you like, you just click add to Chrome and it looks much more better now. And if you don't like it or you want to change it again, you can just click remove from Chrome and remove, or you just select the new theme and you click add to Chrome. If you still didn't found what you are looking for, you can make your own theme. Let's see how. You just come back to the homepage of Google Chrome and click Customize Chrome. Here we are going to go back to the theme page and you can see the option upload an image. We are going to click this one and we are going to select a new photo, and you can see we have a cute little duck here. Of course, you can customize it even more with changing the border colors around the photo, and like I showed you, the dark and the light mode. I'm okay with this one, how it looks. I hope this tutorial helped you and I hope you have a great day.